So the problem is with my Deco V1 V2 is that I purchased this on 12 to 2022, and while I'm recording this, the date is 16/05/2022. So so long with this period, I did not have any problem with this Deco V1 V2. But now, from a couple of days, I am finding that whenever I'm trying to write in this corner, you see there was a sudden slip of the pen here. Whenever I try to write something here, a sudden slip of the problem is causing this. But after after this the whole region is not doing any problem. It's okay, it's all right. I can do whatever I want here, but not in this particular section. I don't know why there is this living thing happens. Till this date there was the problem, but now here is the problem. So initially I thought that there might be a problem with my software whatever I am using. So let me change this. Let me change this to open board. This is the as I am as a online educator, I am use these tools very often. So the problem is with that. You can see whenever I am trying to choose this pen, it's okay. This pen, it's okay. This pen, it's okay. But whenever I'm trying to choose between this pen, that was the section here, there is something not happening. Okay. See, this is getting slippery very much. So particularly, I think that the problem might be with hardware because I have updated the print update software to the latest version from your website. So you can see here in this app also, whenever I'm trying to write some, it looks like someone is pushing it on the right side. Okay. So particularly this section, you can see this section is creating the problem. So I think this is a hardware issue, and as I am under the warranty period, so I think that I should be getting replaced by Deco V1. So that this is the problem. I can check, and I also thought that there might be a problem with my Windows system, but this is not, because I have tried with my Android and the thing happens there too. So you can easily see that whenever I'm trying to write something, it is not working properly. So this is my problem. I am attaching this video with my complaint. Let's see what I get from your side. But please try to replace the thing as soon as possible, because as I am an online educator, it is very much needed to take classes and you know what happens. So please look at the matter at most urgent. Thank you.